The tamping rammer will be securely packed to prevent damage during transportation and storage. Open the package. Remove accessories from the carton. The frame is equipped with lifting points for hoisting. Remove the tamping rammer from the carton. Additional accessories are placed under the base. These are the machine and included accessories. Prepare the following tools before assembly. Install rear wheels. Insert fixing pins into bolts and tighten. Fix wheels at the shown position when not in use. Comparison of old and new handle models. New foldable handle facilitates storage. Tighten before use. Place spring washer and flat washer onto bolts when installing handle. Install sprinkler system. Lower rear wheels when moving the machine. Install control handle. Unscrew oil dipstick and prepare to add 4-stroke engine oil. Engine oil selection: 5W30 in winter, 10W40 in summer. Use funnel to add oil: 168 F170F, 0.65 liters, 177 F192F, 1.1 liters. Unscrew the fuel tank cap, filling the tank with gasoline fuel. Fuel tank: regular unleaded gasoline. Turn the fuel switch of the fuel tank to on position. Close engine carburetor choke valve. Turn engine on-off, switch to on position. First pull gently to resistance, then pull forcefully to start. This two-step process prevents kickback from sudden full pulls. After starting the engine, immediately open the choke valve on the carburetor. After cold start, idle for approximately 30 seconds to warm up. Start tamping operation after preparations. Close throttle after completing work. To stop the engine, turn the on-off switch to off position. Close engine carburetor choke valve. Turn the carburetor fuel valve to OFF position. When compacting hot asphalt or viscous materials, add water to tank for sprinkling. Sprinkling water not only suppresses dust and lowers the temperature of the ramming plate, also can prevent asphalt adhesion to base plate, ensuring smooth compaction and avoiding damage.